I'm Julia, an illustrator and nature journaler. Thank you for joining me. In this class, you're going to learn the basic techniques for drawing birds. I will take you through my simple step-by-step process for drawing a songbird and show practical tips and tricks for better bird drawing. I will teach you how you can approach drawing birds from a photo or even sketch them live in the field. This class is perfect for anyone who wants to learn more about drawing birds and who wants to connect with nature through studying these delightful creatures. The class is great for beginners, and with the step-by-step process I show and a bit of practice, you'll be drawing birds in no time. You will need basic drawing skills for the class and a way to add color to your sketches. What I want to show you is that drawing birds doesn't have to be difficult. You can use the drawing techniques from this class for any creative project involving birds or simply for exploring different bird species in your sketchbook. I hope you'll be inspired to explore drawing birds by the end of this class. So grab your sketchbook and let's take a look.